I will literally call the police right now in a case of cheating. Alright guys, तो it's time for checkout from Bangalore. अभी बस हम कहीं पर रुके, थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे एंड ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद विल बी ऑफ टू ऊटी। तो चलिए मिलते हैं सड़क पर। तो दोस्तों, हम होटल से चेकआउट करके एंड बेंगलोर के खतरनाक ट्रैफिक को पीछे छोड़कर जैसे ही हाईवे पर आते हैं अपनी अगली डेस्टिनेशन ऊटी की तरफ जाने के लिए, हमारे पास आता है कॉल हमारे दोस्त का, जो हमको बोलता है ऊटी जाना तो बंदीपुर वाले रास्ते से जाना, वरना मजा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा। तो हमने सारे परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन लगाए और इस नतीजे पे पहुंचे कि आज तो ये हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि हम हैं थोड़े से लेट। फिर हमें लगती है भूख और हम पहुंच जाते हैं कदम्बा रेस्टोरेंट, जहां पर लिखा था साउथ इंडियन, नॉर्थ इंडियन, चाइनीज सब मिलेगा। पर अंदर पहुंचने के बाद पता चलता है कि हम नॉर्थ इंडियंस को सिर्फ नॉर्थ इंडियन या चाइनीज ही मिलेगा, क्योंकि साउथ इंडियन सारा साउथ इंडिया के लोग खा गए थे। तो हम साउथ इंडिया में बैठकर नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड ऑर्डर करते हैं, जो कि काफी टेस्टी निकलता है, जिसे खाने के बाद हमारा पेट और मन दोनों भर गया था। और यहाँ से हम सीधा पहुंचते हैं मैसूर, अपनी अगली सबसे बड़ी गलती करने, जिसका नाम था चेक इन करना ऐश्वर्या ले रॉयल होटल के अंदर। तो भाई लोग, हम लोगों ने आज रात के लिए मैसूर में ऐश्वर्या रॉयल होटल में, ऐश्वर्या ले रॉयल होटल में रूम बुक किया था टू स्टे द नाइट। और अभी आप देखो इस एसी में से कॉन्स्टेंटली पानी टपके जा रहा है, टपके जा रहा है। बट हम लोग ये चीज़ कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं, तो दे आर सेइंग कि आप लोग 1 घंटा वेट करो, 1 घंटे में पानी गिरना बंद हो जाएगा। और इनका सोल्यूशन क्या है कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि आप अपने एसी को, जो कि ये एसी का रिमोट है, इस रिमोट में आप ये ड्राई का बटन दबा दो, और ये ड्राई का बटन दबा के तो 1 घंटे बाद इसके अंदर से पानी सूख जाएगा। और यहाँ पानी कम कुछ होता दिख नहीं रहा है और ऑलरेडी बढ़ता ही जा रहा है कितना। तो समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई किस तरह का होटल है ये। तो भाई लोग, बड़ी मुश्किल से अभी अगोडा के कस्टमर केयर का हमने नंबर लगाया। हमने पहले हिंदी कस्टमर केयर पर कॉल करने की कोशिश की, उन्होंने बोला कि हमारी सेवाएं बंद है, और पूछा हमसे कि हम इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं। तो हमने बोला जी हाँ, हम इंग्लिश में बात कर लेंगे, आप हमसे बात कर लो। तो अभी मैडम ने फ़ोन उठाया, हमने उन्हें अपनी प्रॉब्लम समझाई है कि भाई एसी में से कॉन्स्टेंटली पानी गिर रहा है, और होटल वाले बोल रहे हैं कि आपसे बात करें कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ना उनसे एसी ठीक हो रहा, ना वो रूम चेंज कर सकते हैं हमारा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्टेइंग ऑनलाइन। यस मैम। Okay, so I had a word with the hotel and they are saying that they do not have any alternative rooms, otherwise they would have given you. And they have asked that you have put it the like the degree is in 16 degree, temperature is in 16 temperature, so that is why it's happening. You can put it on dry mode and change
Ma'am,
it to
it's
20
on.
degree
It's
or 21
already
degree.
on the dry mode. See, understand this. They came. They did everything. Okay, the water is still not stopping. All right. So if they cannot change the room for me, at least can they refund me for the night?
So we can book
But you're
I'll
already
change my.
staying at the hotel, right?
Right, but I'm not able to stay here. You understand this, now? I checked in at what 8 or 8:30 p.m. and it's just 10:32, and I'm already fed up. Like it's water everywhere. So could you like just imagine? Would you be able to stay in a room like this?
Okay, but according what they have guided you, can you just do that like?
I have done that already. We did everything. It's not stopping. They said wait for 1 hour. We did that too.
They by themselves did
Okay,
it.
okay, all right. But they are saying that they have provided you a room in less cost, and
So what do you mean by less cost here? See, you understand this. I booked it through Agoda.
I told
Yeah.
them. Yeah, I understand. I told them
So
that there is a
this
possibility,
means,
right?
so if
They are
Agoda
saying
is
no.
showing me low price, that means I will get a hotel room in the very third class quality. Should I expect that from
No,
Agoda?
never. I'm saying that what they have conveyed to me, I have said them that this is the issue.
I even asked them, if you don't have a room, just refund me, I'll find another room. They said for that you need to contact Agoda. So that's why I'm contacting you. Either they change my room or just give me a refund. I'll find another room.
So are you willing to check out?
Yeah, I can if I get the full refund.
All right. As I have checked, let me just check, okay, if full refund is possible or not. Can I please place your call on hold first? I understand. They are also stating that the weather is cool right now. Why they need AC? I tried to
We
convince
paid. Yeah, it's my choice here. It's my choice. I want an AC room or not. I'm paying for you for that, na.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I said.
You cannot judge me if I need an AC room or I don't need an AC room. It's my choice. If you have available, you have provided me a service, I'm paying for that.
Exactly. That's what I tried to convey. There's no
Agoda
issue,
is
they're denying no
asking
issue.
for
They will
550
provide you
only
Agoda
for
solution,
non-AC.
okay? Can
We
I
paid
please
more
place
now.
you on hold for few minutes?
You can place it on hold and check the refund possibility. I just don't want to stay here anymore. These people are cheap and pathetic and they have a sick mentality.
I understand. If I would have been in your place, I would have faced the same issue. Let me check. Please stay online.
Alright. कह रहा है ज्यादा ठंडा एसी नहीं चाहिए. अरे भाई मेरी मर्जी है. मैं हिमालय से आया हूँ, मुझे ठंड में ही मजा आता है. तेरा रूम सस्ते में दिया भाई, तुमने लिस्टिंग डाली थी ना गोटा पे. अजीब बात है.
Thank you so much for staying online.
Yes ma'am.
So we checked it from our end, okay? So as hotel doesn't have any like उन्होंने कैंसिल करने के लिए भी नहीं बोला and they are saying that they cannot offer any other room or refund. Okay, so as per Agoda solution, we can only provide you a compensation,
Yeah.
which would be 0.41 USD. In INR, it would be around 40 rupees. So that is the maximum we can provide.
माँ खराब हो जाएगा, मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा मैं इनकी.
AC is literally, pouring rain right now. Not done, yeah. That's simply not done. So should I call the police here to just prove that I'm being cheated here? What do you want me to
I
do?
do understand. Okay, do you want to cancel this booking and leave the hotel?
I want to cancel this and leave the hotel. Yes.
Okay, alright. Let me check with my senior.
If I'm not, I cannot stay in this room where the AC is literally pouring rain. Yeah, understand this. This is a complete case of cheat, and let me tell you why. Because I came in here earlier this evening before booking through Agoda, and they told me that the room will cost me 1800. And I was just browsing around here, and my friend checked it out that the same room is available on Agoda for like 800 rupees. And then we booked it for 800 from Agoda, and now they are just sort of playing some games with us. I will literally call the police right now in a case of cheating.
I understand, but like this is the maximum. Like we can offer up to 300 rupees.
What do you mean by 300? Yeah,
Will I get a room in
Okay.
300?
Will I get a room in 300 on Agoda, AC room for the night?
Definitely not.
I literally made you hear the sound of water pouring out of the AC. And this is a recorded conversation at my end also.
I understand. No issues. Let me just check. Please stay online. Can I please place your call on hold for a few minutes?
Sure, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Literally raining, bro.
फाइनली रूम चेंज हो गया.
आज के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही. आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है. दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है.